first thing, which many people have missed the point, is the BJP comes in protest. The BJP is ruling, but they're coming in protest against us. The acts which people are complaining, which the youth are protesting at Jantar Mantar or across Goa or across India, is against what the BJP has done and what the BJP has failed. For them to come and take a morcha against the Congress is not only surprising, shocking, but very humorous, I must say. Secondly, now the point which is missed, when we went for a protest demanding repeal of Section 39A to Vishwajit Rani's house in Goemkarponn, police promptly filed an FIR against us that we had not taken permission, that we obstructed the road and traffic was blocked. Here you have prominent leaders including ministers and party president present. The police also is there. How do you not know and how do you not register FIR with that same promptness? You can't have double standards. Just because you are ruling does not mean to say that you don't file an FIR. We will make sure that an FIR is filed against them. Same sections which applied against us. Accused so it will have to be applied to them. Third, on your question, it is very degrading to see that people in the ruling government and also ministers according with the party president being part of the mob which uses words against Rahul. And that is not only unpalatable, also unparliamentary, but also condemnable. These are not words which are just made off the cuff. The kind of words which have been used are completely morally degrading, and naturally they have lost it. You can take out that the BJP has gone totally haywire, lost control, and they don't know what to do. And they think that sloganeering, street shouting, and making noise is no threat to us. This is a threat to democracy. And the BJP will be learning its lesson and be put in place when the elections start. When it is opposition, the FIR is promptly filed. When it is ruling, as exactly what you saw, they have come on the road to protest. No FIR is filed. That FIR is a joke. If you have come in trespass on Azad Maidan, I don't think that this kind of a trespass is a cognizable offence. So no FIR to be. Even if a large crowd gathers, remember this is the law. Even if a large crowd gathers, even with bamboo sticks and sickles, I got judgment on this. But there is nothing which is done. They have not come with an intention to hurt anyone. Sometimes farmers protest. They come with their sickles and something and that. So there are judgments, and I've got judgment in my favor also. Where large crowd was there, present, even with hockey sticks, unless they came with the intention to hit somebody and actually hit somebody, assaulted somebody, you cannot call this an unlawful assembly. So even that will collapse. And BJP ची कला आती लोकांचे मनान भय घालपाक तूं प्रोटेस्ट कर आमी तुजेर FIR घातले तुगे कॅरियर काबार कोतले तुमकां भायर वचूंक जायना आनी तुमी कितें करतात जाल्यार मागीर तुका परत पुलीस स्टेशनार बसून तुका हेरस करतले. This is strategy of the BJP. Any agitation, how they want to crush it? They want to crush it by fear, misuse of ED, CBI, income tax, and if not, when you come physically, by misusing the police machinery, and finally trying to get you arrested. So you are stuck up in this thing and say, this is the time we all have to stand up. It's not that I
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.